Stable Diffusion, or PlayHT. Two AI giants, each with a unique talent. But in 2025, which one really delivers? On the left, Stable Diffusion, your gateway to dazzling AI-powered image creation. And on the right, PlayHT, the engine behind expressive, lifelike AI voices in hundreds of languages. Let's skip the marketing hype and dive into what matters most. Each category earns points, and in the end, you'll see exactly which AI tool comes out ahead. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. So, just so you know what we're covering, here's our mind map for today. We're going to compare stuff like primary use, voice quality and realism, image quality and realism, language and customization, API and integration, pricing and plans, use cases, and of course, ease of use. Ready? Let's roll. First things first, primary use. Stable Diffusion is all about AI image generation. Seriously, making unique art and designs is its jam. No speech output here, though, so if you're looking for voice stuff, that's not happening. PlayHT, on the other hand, is the flip side. It's built for text-to-speech, letting you whip up realistic AI voiceovers and agents. But yeah, it won't be creating any cool images. So, picking a winner here? Honestly, it totally depends what you actually need. Now, let's talk voice quality and realism. Stable Diffusion? Kind of a non-topic here, because it doesn't do voices at all. But PlayHT, oh man, this is its playground. You get something like over 900 voices in more than 140 languages. And they aren't just robots reading lines either. PlayHT does emotion, like happy, sad, all that stuff. Plus, custom voices, cloning, it's wild. There are some quirks, not gonna lie. Like, the free plan has some limits, and a few voices feel less consistent, but it's definitely one of the most lifelike TTS tools around. No contest, PlayHT easily takes the crown here. All right, on to image quality and realism. Stable Diffusion just flexes here. Seriously, state-of-the-art AI image generation. You want photorealism, artistic effects? It's got you covered. PlayHT, well, this category really isn't its thing. No images, just voices. So, Stable Diffusion is the go-to if art and visuals are your priority. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. Stable Diffusion pumps out over 10 million images every single day. And PlayHT, it covers more languages than the United Nations. Incredible, right? Let's jump into language and customization. Stable Diffusion lets you put prompts in a bunch of languages, which is neat, but most of its magic is still all about images. PlayHT, though, 142 plus languages, tons of accents. You can mess with pronunciation, use SSML, that's for speech control, multi-voice projects, the works, even has speed and pitch controls. Sometimes, the cloning isn't perfect across all languages, but it still blows most other TTS tools out of the water. Honestly, PlayHT wins hands down. For API and integration, both Stable Diffusion and PlayHT are kinda neck and neck. Stable Diffusion offers a solid API, really friendly for developers, and it hooks into all sorts of services. PlayHT goes all in too, with real-time streaming, scalability for big business, and you can build agents right from the platform. Only catch, if you're on the lower plans, there's some annoying character limits. But overall, both tools are top-notch for devs. Let's talk pricing and plans. Stable Diffusion and PlayHT both give you a free tier, so yeah, you can jump in without spending a dime. Stable Diffusion has flexible commercial plans, but those premium ones can get pricey. PlayHT starts at about $30 a month for creators, 80 to 100 for professionals, then scales to enterprise, so you're covered if you go big. But heads up, a bunch of the best features are gated behind higher price plans and usage caps on the free tier. So for pricing, it's pretty much a tie. And now, use cases. Stable Diffusion, oh boy, digital art, marketing visuals, game assets, social media content, the list goes on. If you need eyeball-grabbing images, this is your playground. PlayHT is like the voice for everything. Audiobooks, podcasts, AI customer service agents, e-learning, voiceovers for video, you name it. Each one's specialized, so again, there isn't a clear winner. It depends on what you're planning to make. All right, ease of use. Stable Diffusion has a pretty clean web interface, community models to try out, but not gonna lie, if you dig into the advanced stuff, it can get a bit overwhelming. PlayHT makes things smooth, with templates and granular controls, has a central workspace, but beginners might feel swamped by all the options. Honestly, they're both pretty convenient once you get the hang of it, so it's a tie. If you're the visual type, here's a radar chart that kind of sums up everything. Stable Diffusion absolutely slays on image categories. PlayHT dominates anything voice-related, and for things like pricing and ease of use, they're super close. Language options, PlayHT's got a huge edge there. So, at the end of the day, Stable Diffusion is your ticket to mind-blowing AI images and creative visuals. PlayHT, that's the one to pick for natural, expressive, and crazy versatile voiceovers, especially in every language imaginable. It all just comes down to what you need most, honestly. If you found this helpful, let us know which AI tool you'll try first. Seriously, tell us in the comments. Are you going for some artwork or building the next viral AI voice? Hit subscribe and stay tuned for more.